that basically if you we should use that there cannot be any intimate dissection, so you are safe in that way. Be demonstration on the PTFE graft followed by cadaveric artery and veins. Please read the detailed disclaimer and description, and these videos are meant so there. This is my personal castroviso, and castroviso is a bit costly. Then you can also arrange. This is basically even smaller vessels. Then you will need further micro instruments. So what kind of anatomy will do? 5060 will, so trainees and body surgeons understand the technique in a better way. So simple technique, follow these steps, wash the sutures, has to be double arm. You always come inside out, and be an anastomose. Cut the end, which the hand, left hand, and then use the this thing if there is any. I hope I was able